Have you ever glanced at the clock exactly at 11:11 or noticed repeating number patterns like 222 or 333 appearing in your daily life? These aren't mere coincidences, they're known as angel numbers. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry divine guidance and messages from the universe or your guardian angels. They serve as a bridge between the spiritual and physical worlds, offering insights, encouragement, and positive vibrations. In today's video, we'll explore how you can receive positive vibrations through angel numbers. We'll delve into what angel numbers are, how to recognize them, their meanings, and how embracing these messages can elevate your life to a higher frequency of positivity and enlightenment. What are angel numbers? Angel numbers are repetitive sequences of numbers that appear in our lives in various forms, on clocks, license plates, receipts, or even in dreams. In numerology, each number has its own vibrational energy and significance. When numbers repeat, their energy is amplified, and they carry a more potent message. The universe and our guardian angels use these numbers to communicate with us. Since numbers are a universal language, they can transcend cultural and language barriers, making them an effective tool for spiritual communication. The power of positive vibrations. Before we dive deeper into angel numbers, it's essential to understand the concept of vibrations. Everything in the universe is made up of energy that vibrates at different frequencies. Positive vibrations attract positive experiences, emotions, and outcomes, while negative vibrations can draw in challenges and obstacles. By tuning into positive vibrations, we align ourselves with the flow of the universe, allowing abundance, joy, and peace to manifest in our lives. Angel numbers are a powerful way to receive and amplify these positive vibrations. How angel numbers deliver positive vibrations. Guidance and direction. Angel numbers often appear when we seek guidance or are at a crossroads in life. They provide subtle nudges towards the path that aligns with our highest good. Affirmation and encouragement. Seeing angel numbers can be a reassuring sign that we are on the right track. They serve as affirmations from the universe that our thoughts and actions are aligned with our life purpose. Awareness and mindfulness. Noticing these numbers encourages us to be more present and mindful. This heightened awareness can lead to a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Spiritual growth. Angel numbers can trigger introspection and spiritual awakening, prompting us to explore our beliefs, desires, and purpose on a deeper level. Common angel numbers and their positive messages. 111, alignment and manifestation, a reminder that your thoughts are manifesting rapidly. Keep them positive and focused on your desires. 222, balance and harmony, encourages you to maintain balance in your life and have faith that everything is working out as it should. 333, support and encouragement, signifies that ascended masters are near, offering love and support. It's a prompt to tap into your creative energies. 444, protection and stability, indicates that angels are surrounding you, providing strength and support to pursue your goals. 555, change and transformation, suggests that significant changes are coming. Embrace them with an open heart and trust the process. 666, reflection and realignment, encourages you to reflect on your current situation and realign your thoughts with positivity. 777, spiritual enlightenment, a sign of divine guidance and that you're on the path of spiritual awakening. 888, abundance and prosperity, signals incoming abundance in various forms. Be open to receiving these blessings. 999, completion and renewal, denotes the end of a significant phase, making way for new beginnings. 000, unity with the universe, represents infinite possibilities and a strong connection with the universal energy. How to recognize angel numbers. Increased awareness, practice mindfulness to become more attuned to your surroundings. This heightened awareness makes it easier to notice repeating numbers. Patterns and repetition, pay attention to numbers that keep appearing in your life. If you notice a sequence more than twice, it's likely an angel number. Intuitive feelings, trust your gut feeling when a number catches your attention. If it feels significant, it probably is. Synchronicities. Be open to coincidences and synchronicities. These are often signs from the universe guiding you toward a message. Interpreting angel numbers for positive vibrations. Research the meaning. Look up the numerological meanings of the numbers you encounter. Personal reflection. Consider how the message relates to your current life situation. What areas of your life could use more positivity? Meditate on the message. Spend time in meditation to connect with the energy of the number and receive deeper insights. Apply the guidance. Use the message to make positive changes in your thoughts, beliefs, or actions. Embracing positive vibrations through angel numbers. Maintain a positive mindset. Focus on positive thoughts and affirmations. This aligns your vibration with that of the angelic messages. Express gratitude. Show appreciation for the guidance you receive. Gratitude amplifies positive energy and attracts more blessings. Act on intuition. When you receive a message, trust your intuition on how to act upon it. Share positivity. Spread positive vibrations to others through kindness, support, and love. Practical steps to enhance positive vibrations. Daily affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations that resonate with the messages you've received. Mindful living. Engage fully in the present moment. This increases your awareness of angel numbers and other signs. Surround yourself with positivity. Create an environment that uplifts you. Fill your space with uplifting music, inspiring books, and supportive people. Let go of negativity. Release negative thoughts, grudges, or anything that lowers your vibration. The impact of positive vibrations on your life. Improved relationships. Positive energy attracts positive people, enhancing your personal and professional relationships. Increased opportunities. A high vibration can open doors to new possibilities and experiences. Enhanced well-being. Positive vibrations contribute to better mental, emotional, and even physical health. Spiritual growth. Embracing positive energy accelerates your spiritual journey and deepens your connection with the universe. Stories of transformation through angel numbers. Many people have experienced life-changing transformations by paying attention to angel numbers. For example, Sarah's career shift. Sarah kept seeing 555 everywhere. Recognizing it as a sign of change, she took a leap of faith and pursued her passion for art. This decision led to a fulfilling career and personal happiness. Michael's healing journey. After noticing 444 repeatedly, Michael felt encouraged to seek help for his anxiety. With support, he found inner peace and improved his overall well-being. Overcoming skepticism. It's natural to be skeptical about concepts like angel numbers. However, approaching them with an open mind can lead to unexpected positive outcomes. Consider angel numbers as tools for self-reflection and growth rather than just supernatural phenomena. Connecting with your guardian angels. If you wish to deepen your connection. Prayer and meditation. Communicate with your angels through prayer or meditation, expressing your desire for guidance. Ask for signs. Don't hesitate to ask your angels to show you clear signs or numbers. Stay patient and open. Guidance may come in various forms. Be patient and remain receptive to different messages. FAQs about angel numbers. Can angel numbers be negative? Angel numbers are inherently positive, meant to guide and uplift you. They might point out areas needing improvement but always with the intention of helping you grow. What if I keep seeing different numbers? Each number carries its own message. Seeing different numbers can mean you're receiving guidance on various aspects of your life. Do I need special abilities to receive angel numbers? No special abilities are required. Angel numbers are available to everyone. All it takes is awareness and openness. Integrating angel numbers into daily life. Journal your experiences. Write down the numbers you see and your interpretations. Over time, you'll notice patterns and recurring themes. Create visual reminders. Use artwork or screensavers featuring angel numbers to keep their messages present in your mind. Discuss with like-minded individuals. Sharing experiences with others can provide new insights and deepen your understanding. The role of faith and trust. Trusting in the messages you receive is crucial. Faith acts as a bridge between doubt and understanding. By trusting your intuition and the guidance of angel numbers, you open yourself up to receive even more positive vibrations. Conclusion. Angel numbers are more than just numerical coincidences, they're powerful messages from the universe designed to uplift and guide us. By recognizing and embracing these numbers, you invite positive vibrations into your life, leading to transformation, growth, and fulfillment. Remember, the universe is always communicating with us. All we need to do is pay attention, trust the messages, and align our actions accordingly. So the next time you notice a repeating number, take it as a gentle nudge towards positivity and embrace the abundant blessings awaiting you. Call to action. Have you experienced angel numbers in your life? Share your stories and how they've brought positive vibrations to you in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on spirituality and personal growth, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates.